Here is the ascending bass line I used at the beginning of the video that spans over 2 bars and can be used for a major 6, a major 7, or a dominant 7 chord. By applying a simple technique I call octave jumping, we can easily create variations of it that sound great. Here are a few examples of it. The first 2 bars show the original scale. The enclosures highlight the variations. First, you have to know the scale, of course. Now, what I call octave jumping is the idea that we're jumping down an octave on the second beat of the second bar. So instead of continuing with the A here, jump down to here and continue the scale starting with this A. It's a nice sound. Now there's another place where we can jump, but it jumps naturally when you continue with the scale because you end up on the high C and then you have to go actually down to the E. So it's like this. Okay, now from here we can jump down and then we can jump down again. Let me show you. Now it gets really cool once we learn the descending scale, which is next. When descending after playing the tonic, we need to choose the correct type of the chordal 7th. For major 6 and 7 chords, this would be the major 7th, while for a dominant 7 chord, we select the minor 7th. Now let's add the octave jumping technique we used for the ascending bass line, but this time we jump up instead of down by an octave on the second beat. Alternating between the ascending and descending scales randomly, along with octave jumping, gives us a wide variety of options to play with on the fly. Here is an example. At the top, we have the 2 scales shown in sequence. The lower staff displays a variation created by changing the order of the bars, combined with octave jumping. To close out this video, I thought I'm going to give you the transcription of what I played at the beginning. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. There will be more of this soon. Happy practicing.